What color represents Alzheimer's awareness? While there is currently no cure for Alzheimer's disease, there are many treatments that target the symptoms of the disease. Alzheimer's disease awareness is represented by the color purple. What is Alzheimer's Awareness Month? Alzheimer's Awareness Month, which occurs every November, was established to honor the millions of Americans living with Alzheimer's, through advocacy for a cure, awareness and education. How can we raise awareness for Alzheimer's? Meaningful ways to participate in Alzheimer's and Brain Awareness Month. Take the Purple Pledge. Share your story. Fundraise on the longest day. Wear purple on June 21st. Create a team for the walk to end Alzheimer's. Change your social media profile. Decorate common areas in your community or home in purple. Why is Alzheimer's awareness important? Awareness facilitates timely medical intervention. Specifically, knowing that treatment is more effective than is commonly reported in the press will drive more people to their physicians at early stage of symptoms before irreparable brain damage has occurred. What day is National Alzheimer Day? September 21st every year is World Alzheimer's Day around the world. This is an international campaign aimed at raising awareness and challenge the common stigma that surrounds Alzheimer-related dementia. What is the color for dementia? Color preferences for individuals with dementia are red, blue and green. For instance, blue is a restful color with a calming effect. Research shows that using blue in the physical environment can actually lower blood pressure, and that blue rooms are seemingly cooler than rooms painted in shades of red or orange. What is the symbol for Alzheimer's? The symbolism of Alzheimer's is the color purple and an elephant. Purple is the most recognizable color out of the color wheel. It tends to be the last color that Alzheimer's patients forget. The elephant is a symbol because that is the only animal that will never forget anything. What is the symbol for dementia? The blue flower pin is a symbol for anyone who wants to unite against dementia, raise awareness and support people affected by the condition. There are a few different versions of the Forget Me Not badge. What is the theme for World Alzheimer's Month 2019? For World Alzheimer's Month in September 2019, we will be joining Alzheimer's Disease International (AUDI) and other leading dementia organizations around the world to raise awareness of dementia. The theme for World Alzheimer's Month 2019 will be raising awareness and challenging stigma. What is the longest day for Alzheimer's? 2020. The longest day. The longest day is the day with the most light, the summer solstice. On June 20th, people from across the world will come together to fight the darkness of Alzheimer's through a fundraising activity of their choice. How can I raise money for Alzheimer's research? Raise needed funds. Here are some of the ways that those living with the disease participate in fundraising activities to make a difference. Register as a walker or team captain in the Alzheimer's Association Walk to End Alzheimer's. Volunteer at your local Alzheimer's Association chapter event. Make a donation. How can I help Alzheimer's research? Here are some of the ways that those living with the disease participate in fundraising activities to make a difference. Register as a walker or team captain in the Alzheimer's Association Walk to End Alzheimer's. Volunteer at your local Alzheimer's Association chapter event. Make a donation. Why do we need to understand dementia? To really understand dementia, we need to consider both the physiological impacts and the experience of life with a diagnosis of dementia for both the person with the diagnosis and those close to them. This assists us to know and understand how to relate in a way that will enhance the life of the person with dementia. Why is it important to understand dementia? Understanding the person with dementia helps to provide person-centered care and support. Sometimes people need support to express their memories, thoughts and feelings. Finding the right support for people with dementia make a big difference to their quality of life. What color is dementia awareness? Purple Angel Dementia Awareness logo goes global. The Purple Angel Dementia Awareness logo is very personal to Alzheimer's sufferer Norman McNamara. It's an angel because I call my wife an angel, and it's purple because it's a healing color, he explains. Why is the Alzheimer ribbon purple? The Alzheimer's Awareness Purple Ribbon. Alzheimer's is often represented by the color purple, so a purple ribbon is perfect to raise awareness for the disease. What causes Alzheimer's? Alzheimer's disease is thought to be caused by the abnormal buildup of proteins in and around brain cells. One of the proteins involved is called amyloid, deposits of which form plaques around brain cells. The other protein is called tau, deposits of which form tangles within brain cells. How do you decorate a room for someone with dementia? Try to avoid using bright, energetic colors such as orange, red, and purple, since these can be overly stimulating to someone with Alzheimer's. Stick with calming, softer colors such as pale yellow, blue, and brown. Do colors affect memory? The studies reviewed above showed that colors can lead to better memory performance. There are however studies that indicate an opposing effect of color on memory. The right combination of colors is important because it can produce higher level of contrast, and this can influence memory retention. What is best for dementia patients? The two most commonly prescribed medicines for dementia are cholinesterase inhibitors and memantine, Namenda. Doctors use them mainly to treat the symptoms of Alzheimer's disease, which is the most common kind of dementia. They prescribe them for other kinds of dementia as well. What flower represents Alzheimer's? Carrying a blue flower means you are living with Alzheimer's. Carrying an orange flower means you support the Alzheimer's Association. The white flowers were introduced last year, when news was positive that there might be ways to prevent or slow the disease. Why is an elephant a symbol for Alzheimer's? The symbolism of Alzheimer's is the color purple and an elephant. The elephant is a symbol because that is the only animal that will never forget anything. The Alzheimer's Association has a vision that humans will never deal with such disease and have a memory of an elephant. What do the Alzheimer flower colors mean? Each flower has a color, and each color has a meaning: orange to represent support for the cause, purple to symbolize a loved one lost to the disease, yellow to denote a caregiver for someone with Alzheimer's or dementia, blue to indicate someone living with it. Does dementia have a ribbon? The Alzheimer's Awareness Purple Ribbon. Alzheimer's is often represented by the color purple, so a purple ribbon is perfect to raise awareness for the disease. What color is the ribbon for dementia? Alzheimer's disease awareness is represented by the color purple. Choose below from our in-stock selection of rubber wristbands, ribbon magnets, lapel pins and more, or place a custom order to support Alzheimer's disease awareness for your event or fundraiser. Is there a ribbon for dementia? Anyone can wear our blue Forget-Me-Not pin badge to show their support for Alzheimer's Society. Many organizations have flowers, ribbons and other symbols to represent their charity. A person might wear a Forget-Me-Not badge because a family member or loved one has dementia, or they want to help raise awareness.